Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cross-platform apps with Xamarin, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy cross-platform apps with Xamarin, begin by installing Visual Studio on your system. Ensure that you select the Xamarin tools during the installation process. Once installed, open Visual Studio and create a new project. Choose the mobile app, Xamarin Informs, template from the project options. Name your project and select the appropriate location to save it. Click on Create to initialize your project. Next, select a template for your application, such as blank, master detail, or tabbed. Click Create again to set up your application with the chosen template. Now, familiarize yourself with the solution structure that Visual Studio generates. Locate the mainpage.xaml file in the project tree. Open this file to start designing your user interface using XAML. Customize your UI by adding labels, buttons, and other elements as desired. Switch to the code behind file, mainpage.xaml.cs, to add functionality. Here, you can define event handlers for user interactions, such as button clicks. To test your application, open the device emulator. Select the target platform you wish to run your app on, such as Android or iOS. Wait for the emulator to start. This may take some time, especially on first launch. Click the Run button in Visual Studio to build and deploy your app to the emulator. Once deployed, interact with your app to ensure everything works smoothly. If you notice any issues, revisit the code in UI, making necessary adjustments. For iOS deployment, ensure you have a Mac machine to compile and test your app. Open a new project in Visual Studio for Mac if needed, and repeat similar steps for iOS. Configure your app settings by navigating to the project properties. Make sure to set the correct bundle identifier and signing options for iOS deployment. For final deployment, prepare your app for distribution by building a release version. Use the archive option for iOS or build for Android to generate the final app package. Follow the respective platform's guidelines to publish your app on the App Store or Google Play. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.